Hello guys, I am very happy because there are a lot of subscribers, a lot of viewers who follow me. They can make money without my training course, without buying my book, and without having my monthly subscription, which is very good for everyone. Okay, so a lot of people, they just follow what I say, especially when I give very informative and decisive information on how to trade. Okay, this information you will never find online, even in books. You read whatever books, there are some information that in this business of stock market you will never find. Okay, you can find, you read books. I have read hundreds of books of trading and investing. Now when I read again, they highlight their strategies, but some specific information that makes the money, they will never put it in books. Wherever are these books, even if they are like these kind of guys are gurus and they are bestsellers, but they keep their secrets secret. Okay, but some people, they just say what the other people are saying. Okay, and because of the heritage of stock market here in America and everywhere in the world, they have a heritage, they have stories, they have ways to do investing, ways to do to trade, and they are each time saying the same thing. Now I have seen online some who have like seminars. A part of the seminar, I think they cut the seminar and they put it online. And normally when you go, they are like very famous people, like traders, and they make too much money. It means they are making millions of dollars a trade, so they have too much money. And in order to go to their seminar, you should pay too much money also. Okay, so I see one of the guys, he's very famous, but he does mistakes. Now what are these mistakes? He was talking about commodities. I don't know if you know someone who is famous in commodities, and he say buy on Friday, sell on Monday. Just like this, he was speaking, and then just he says this. Or other kind of buy on September, sell on May for investors, and they give reasons for that. Buy before the holiday. Don't buy in summer because the traders, they go having fun. Okay. Now all kind of ideas that I see always, you find it in books, you find it in articles. This is old stuff that already. There are other people who are looking always for new indicators. Each 1 or 2, you find a guru in trading, or a firm, or someone who is famous, or a journalist. Even he doesn't trade, he will make an indicator. What is this indicator? Indicator is just the closing prices of days. Two kind of closing. When they cross, people they buy. When they cross, they sell. Okay, so it's very funny because when you go to brokers, sometimes some people, they choose brokers because who has more indicators. I have seen a broker who has more than 300 indicators. If you want to put these indicators into your chart, you will see nothing. Okay, you will see no price, no candlestick. You see all are lines, green, yellow, red, volume, a lot of stuff. It's colorful. It's nice to see like a piece of art, but it's not for business. You find even clouds. I don't know. These people, when they are innovations in the stock market, especially indicators that are very, very, very successful with traders, and they think that this can make money because they get influenced by people online, people who wrote books, people who make these indicators. They write books and they try to generalize these things, that if you do this indicator, you will know that you will succeed in trading. And people who are very, very serious, they try to take one by one. They try to understand the indicator, read it, understand it, apply it. Doesn't work. It can work one time or two, depending on what the guy has put the indicator for. Okay, suppose if the whole market is going up, it can work. But when the market is going down, it's the opposite. So it doesn't work. If this indicator works when there is a big trend, it's good. But when there is a trading range in the market, zigzag stocks, like I say, they don't work. That's why people, they get always confused. They say, why is this? Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. Because the people or the innovator, the people who make these indicators, they apply it on some stocks in a given time, a bull market or a bear market or wherever. It means it's specific to that area, but they don't tell. That's why people, they get confused. Other people, they want automatic systems. They rent them, they buy them, and I have a story. Before, when I was a beginner, as anyone else, I want to succeed. I want to know. This is the thing that astonished me always. Why a stock goes up and why it goes down. This is what I want to know. If I know this, I can make money. If I don't know it, I will never make money. So the first idea that comes to mind is moving averages, indicators, these kind of theories. Or you can go to fundamentals, companies, things, investing, earnings, something. Or you can go to technical analysis with these indicators, moving averages, volume, and the other stuff. Okay? Now, I was in the called meetup of, I go once or twice, and they were doing what we call fundamentals. Okay? And for me, when something that I see is not okay, I speak about it. I was in that meetup and I was a beginner, and I see a stock which was 95 cents. It goes to $40 in 1 month. No, for me, I just see it, this 25 cents, and then I put it in my watch list, and then after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I found it's $30, $40. I go to this company, I find this company is doing nothing. No earnings or little earnings. Crap company. It's so tiny that I don't know what happened to this company. That the price goes like this. And these guys who was doing fundamentals, I told him, he told us, do you have any questions? I raised my hand and I told him, oh, please, can you check this company? It's a penny stock, it's just a small company. In 1 month it goes to $40. Can you check it and tell me why? Because he was explaining that everything is related to what we call the fundamentals of the company. Now he put it in the chart, which was like in a big hole and like this. And he goes to fundamentals, he finds nothing. He told me, I'm sorry, I don't know this company, and it doesn't seem that it has fundamentals or something good. I have no idea. So I told him, what you are telling about fundamentals doesn't work, right? He told me, no, it works, fundamentals works, and this is... And from that time, I stopped looking at fundamentals. I know that because in the past some companies, the price goes so high. Some analysts, they go and they check what is going on to these companies, and they should find something to speak about. This is what the fundamentals do, and most of the analysts are paid to tell you what they tell in TV, online, in websites, either paid or not paid. They always tell you something. Some people, analysts say to you, buy this stock. Some others, they say sell. So who is right, who is wrong? Okay? So it is so funny that in general, people who are looking for something, okay, looking to succeed, but they don't find what is the best thing to follow. Okay, and anyone online or in TV show or in professional channels or professional TVs for economy and for finance and other stuff, stock market, they tell what they want you to hear. Okay, and because anything they tell has a money value. And a very famous analyst is paid to tell what he tells. If you don't know this, he is not what you call independent. Okay, you are an independent analyst? Okay, independent. Who pays you? Okay? He is someone who pays him to tell what he tells. Because whenever he tells something, he knows that thousands of people or millions of people are following this guy. Whatever he tells them, he controls them. He hypnotizes them. All. Not thousands, there are millions of people sometimes follow some TV shows, some economic shows, and they are hypnotized. They don't know they are hypnotized. They are like a crowd. They do what the people are saying. Just they do whatever. And sometimes they make little money, and most of the time they lose money, but they still follow because they are hypnotized. They say, okay, he knows better. He's on the stock market. He's an analyst. He makes his wealth from stock market. No. He makes it through it, but not from it. A lot of people online, they make their money through the stock market, but not from it. What does it mean? Most of the analysts, they don't trade. They don't invest. They take this hundreds of thousands each year or millions of dollars, they put in their pocket and they live the good life without risk. And they ask other people to risk their money. Before you can check it on analysis pages or articles. There is always at the end of the page they say it is just my opinion. Okay, about the market, about this kind of stocks. Okay, they say it's just our opinion because they can't advise. Because if you want to get advised, you go to the bank. There are some professional. If you have money and you want to get advice, if you do business with them, you should pay them. Either from when you buy some products from them, you should pay fees. You should pay. A professional thing is just not for free. There is no free lunch at the market. Okay? So I'm always trying to explain these things like very clearly, that a lot of stuff what you see online is based solely on money. They say a lot of companies, a lot of this kind of applications, softwares, they try to show you that they help you make money. but they themselves, they can make money. I heard the story before. I was telling you, but you know, I changed the subject very quick. The story that I want to tell, when I was young, when I was like a beginner, someone from this meetup that I told you before, fundamentals or something, he finds my my email, you know, all the members of this meetup, okay, and he sent me an email, say, okay, I know someone, this is his name, this is his phone number, you call him and he will show you something very interesting about trading, about softwares and something maybe interesting. So I called him and then we met. He bring his laptop and he told me, okay, this is a software application. It gives you signals. You buy here, it gives you signals where to sell, that's it. I say, okay. And he told me, each 15 minutes, you can make $1,500. Wow. 15 minutes, 1,500. Okay. That's good. It's good for me. And I told him, so what is it? He said, you should rent it. $300 and $350 each month. Wow. So I give you $350 and you give me the software, I install it, and then I begin making in each 15 minutes $1,500. He said yes. I say, if this software makes $1,500 in 15 minutes, why you rent it for 1 month for $350? Can you answer me that question? I am serious. He told me, oh, we sell a lot this software, okay? So we are getting our money from this software, not from trading. I say, if you're, so you don't believe in your software, that it gives you 1,500 in 15 minutes. Can you guarantee me that? I put $10,000, $20,000 in an account, and I tried. Can you guarantee me that in each 15 minutes I get 15? Oh, no, I can guarantee you. The market is wild and goes up and down, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So I tell him, I'm sorry, I can't accept. Even if you give me free, I will not take it. He was astonished. Wow. You say, why? I say, because if you can make money, too much money from your software, how can you rent it to me for $350? So I tell him, I'm serious about business. I'm serious to know and to learn new things about trading. So I'm not gambling or doing some stupid thing. Okay, that's it. So, but some people, they try and they buy these softwares. Sometimes they make money. It's not because of the software. It's just because of the market is going up. That's it. Because you don't understand how the market works. The market works sometimes in waves. Okay? The waves goes up. Okay? And then it goes down, goes up, goes down, and then it makes the trend. People who are professional traders, professional investors, they are looking for this trend when they begin. They can't predict when exactly the first day the trend begin, but they can take the meat of this trend. It means in the middle. You shouldn't be waiting for stock until it goes down and then you buy it. This is the idea of all the people that they contact me or they send me an email. Okay, I am waiting for the stock goes down, and when it goes down, I will buy it and then it goes up. This is the story they tell always. And I told him, why you are waiting for a stock to go down? Why when the stock is going up you buy? And it's going up and up and up and you make money. It's the opposite. While you are waiting for the stock goes down, you can wait for the stock when it goes up and you buy it will be better. Okay, this is the way we do business. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, as usual, comment here, send me a private message, or tell me what you think. If you have subscribed, it's good. If not, subscribe and you will get more about swing trading and anything that it is related to trading. Thank you very much.